And we're live. Awesome. Welcome back, gentlemen, to the Bitcoin market update. Let's check out the market real quick here. Bitcoin, we have $8,720. Now, I'm going to zoom in here on the chart and just kind of tell you what I'm seeing. Cheers, by the way. Got a little hot tea today. It's Bengal Spice. Oh, it smells so good, but it is on fire. It is hot. Okay, so what do we have here? The Kumo cloud that we're in currently is showing signs of weakness with this double penetration. Sorry for being graphic, but there you go, right there. It's breaking through and showing signs of weakness. I was hoping it would hold like we had back here, but it's starting to break down. Now we're going to, like I've been saying, we're going to probably just trade inside this channel here. Let me show you. Something like this. I think we're going to trade in here. And look at that. That's pretty close to the bottom of the Kumo cloud. We're going to fool around down here and fill up this void, and then we'll take it from there. But I still have a target as we zoom out that looks like we're going to come on down here to this area. This whole area down here, that 5,400 or 4,800, I believe that's where we're headed. We'll take it one step at a time. We're in the Kumo cloud right now. We'd have to fall below it, number one. Number two, we'd have to break our 618 Fibonacci line at 7,250. And if we break that, then I think it may be possibly a rapid sell-off down to these levels here, where we'll probably ping-pong around and a flash crash even lower to touch the bottom line. And then there's two things that could happen. You'll either start working your way up the bottom of this on its way up, or we could immediately reverse and come to the top side. So that's how I think Bitcoin's going to go. This is not financial advice. It's just me spitballing what my thoughts are. Now, of course, along the way, you're going to have it sell off, and then you're going to have it bounce, and you're going to have it sell off, and it's going to bounce, and it's going to make everyone think we're going bull now. But I really think it won't go bull until we hit that bottom line or these targets. Okay, so that's Bitcoin. Let's check out the Bitcoin dominance at 68.38%. And we're coming down to our area of support. Notice when we got to support, we bounced right off and wicked. But today's candle is red. Let's zoom in just a little bit closer. Today's candle is red and is coming down. Now, we've been at this candle for roughly 4 hours and 30 minutes, my time. So, there is still time on this daily chart for it to possibly try to run higher. But honestly, I think this wick is probably just wanting to work its way down this way. All right, so I thought Bitcoin dominance should not bounce any higher than this at this point at 71, but it looks like it went to 70.85. So we got pretty close, pretty decent. How about LTC BTC? Litecoin Bitcoin. Now, I think Litecoin Bitcoin can come back up to the top of this wick. That's my target number one. My target number two is right here at 0.007797. So we'll probably make it at least to target one more time. I believe that we got another bounce inbound. If we don't, then we'll just say target achieved with that one right there. It'll be good enough. I think it's close enough, but I have a feeling this market's going to want to kind of double test that. So that's how I think that LTC BTC Litecoin looks a little bullish here. LTC USD is at $60.89. Now I have a target here. Let's see. I'm going to show this to you real quick. Boom. That's our first target, and we did hit that. My second target is right here. So target number one, we already hit at 65. I think just like Litecoin, Bitcoin, I think it's going to go higher one more time to touch that level and then possibly sell off after that. I think it's got one more jump ahead, but we'll see. The next couple days is really going to show us a lot, so look out for that. I wrote here price action could go a little bit higher, but profit must be taken soon, right? So if you got in down here, don't be greedy, just take that profit. Okay, just be careful. Don't hold it all the way up and then all the way down. You want to play the market a little bit at least. Okay, LTC USD looking okay for now. Yeah, I would say let's give it a day or so, but watch that death cross where the 9 crosses the 20. It's inbound. So we need an up day today. We need to close high, and we need another up day and start a trend up. Otherwise, this is going to just roll over. Okay, how about ETH BTC? Let's check that one out. Ethereum is on a little bit of a uptrend. I got in on this day on ETH BTC, not for the BTC gains, but for the ETH USD gains. But this is where I'm at. I have a target, a low target, where I think that we'll probably get, this is my third target. I got it switched around here. This should be target 2, and that's target 1. So one of these will hit, I'm sure. Now we've already hit this target officially with this one back here. So this could come up and retest it and then come back down, or it'll punch through this area of resistance and then make its way. Probably I would start leaning more towards this one right here at 0.026 Ethereum to Bitcoin. So that's that. Let's look at ETH USD at $185.22. It's starting to slump a little bit, but I believe that we can get up here to this target right here, and it might have to give a quick flash sell-off first, maybe even down here before it makes another run up. I'm not really sure, but I'm hoping that we rally here soon. I'm in this with a short, not a short, but a really small ETH. I'm in ETH just a little bit, not very much, but I just wanted to play this to the upside for just a little gain, quick gain. I think this target is easily achievable one more time if this didn't knock it out already, this wick. Let's jump back out in here. Yeah, if this wick didn't knock that target out, then I think we could make another run at it. So that being said, let's look at total market cap at $230 billion. Now, total market cap is slumping, and notice that total market cap looks awful like the Bitcoin market. We are below the 200-day moving average, and we are now inside the Kumo cloud for real. So the next place now is below the Kumo cloud, and notice that we're below my 9. We got a death cross with the 20-day moving average, and we are now below the 50-day moving average. So that doesn't look good either. 3-day indicators pointing down. Yeah, this doesn't look good. And really, if your total market cap looks exactly like the Bitcoin chart for the most part, yeah, then your Bitcoin's probably not looking too good in the future either. So that's why I'm advising hold cash unless you see a cash opportunity that can come your way. I think ETH will give just a little bit of a bounce. I'm looking at total 2 market cap, right? We are above the Kumo cloud right now and above the 50 and currently barely above the 20. So I would love to see more lift to the upside and maybe get another touch at that 200-day moving average. If the other alts, excluding Bitcoin, can jump up to the 200-day moving average in their market cap, I think that will be enough to lift ETH USD up to these areas here. So that's my rationale for thinking that. We're really only trying for, what is that? The 236, something along that line for a bounce. Yeah, looking at maybe a 236 or maybe come up as high as the 0.309. Okay, I think that's it for today, guys. Thanks for joining me. I know it was kind of brief. Not much else to report on. I might do another video in a little bit focusing on gold and traditional markets. All right, God bless you guys. Good luck in your trading. Really, good luck. Talk to you soon. And I'm out.